In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your Metatrader 5 account. We'll keep this simple and practical. First, funding always starts with your broker, not inside Metatrader. So begin by heading to your broker's official website using a trusted bookmark or a link you know is correct. Make sure you're in the secure client area before you move on. This is where your balances and funding options live, and it's also where you'll choose which account the money goes to. Next, look for the section labeled Wallets or something similar. Click into it. Many brokers use a wallet as a holding area for your funds before they appear in a specific trading account. If your broker groups everything under wallets, this is normal. Take a second to confirm you're viewing the correct currency and the correct account or wallet label so your deposit ends up where you expect. Now, select deposit and complete the deposit. Choose your preferred method, enter the amount, and follow the prompts to confirm. Different methods can have different processing times and fees, so check those details on screen before you submit. If you see fields for reference notes or memos, keep them accurate. After confirming, save the transaction ID or confirmation number. It's handy if you ever need to track the payment with your broker support. If your broker offers two-factor authentication for payments, using it adds an extra layer of security. Once that's done, open Metatrader 5. Give the broker a moment to process your deposit, then move into the platform to verify the funds. Inside Metatrader, press Ctrl+T. This opens the toolbox at the bottom of your screen. If it's already open, that shortcut simply toggles it, so press it again if you don't see it at first. With the toolbox visible, click on the Trade tab. This is your live account snapshot. Here you'll see balance, equity, margin, and free margin. Your deposit should update the balance figure, and your equity will reflect it as well. If the amount doesn't show right away, wait a bit and then glance back at your broker's website to check the transaction status. Some deposit methods post instantly, while others can take a few minutes or longer, especially outside banking hours. That's it. Go to your broker's site, open the wallets area, make the deposit, then in Metatrader press Ctrl+T and open the Trade tab to confirm your balance. Keep your confirmations, double-check fees and processing times, and always use the official broker portal for payments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.